Do you have saved passwords in your browser but forgot what they are? Pretty annoying when you need to change your password or use it on another device. In this video, I'll show you a nice trick that lets you see passwords hidden under asterisks, dots or stars. This will work on any website you have an auto-filled password and on most browsers. I'll show you how to do it on Google Chrome, but it works the same way in Firefox. Firstly, open a website on the page with the login details. Click on the password field and click Inspect. Look for the line that says Input Type equals Password. It should already be highlighted. If you can't find it, press Ctrl and F and type password to search for it. Double click the word password and change it to text and press Enter to save. There you go, password will now be revealed. Be wary of software that will do this for you. You don't really want third parties having access to your passwords, plus this way is free, quick and easy. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos and stay tuned for more.